Hello, this is Dr. Nadeem. Today we're going to talk about a process that we could activate in all of us to add life to our years and years to our life. It's a process that is happening right now in some of us. It's a process called autophagy, a process by which the body removes dead cells. In fact, this is how the body even removes cancer cells. Now, to activate this process, one must follow a practice. And this is nothing but the practice of fasting. In fact, fasting for 16 to 18 hours, followed by a 6 to 8 hour eating window, where one follows a calorie deficit, say around 500 calories, is known to activate autophagy in most individuals. And when this is done over a prolonged period of time, it shows significant improvement in the quality of life, reduces inflammation, and also is known to increase lifespan. This is the first episode of Here and Now, wherein we hear your wellness needs and respond with research-backed insights that you could act on now. Thank you.